guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Shrijita. Today's video I'm going to share with you guys my empty house tour. Though it's a apartment, it's a 2 BHK apartment, and but I didn't shoot this intro the same day I shot this video. You are going to see after this clip. So yeah, I hope you guys will like it. Now keep watching. So this is the entryway, and this is my apartment entry door. After entering, on the left hand side I have this dining area, and on my right hand side I have my kitchen, which is quite bigger than I used to have, and it has a lot of storage, as you guys can see. Now in this corner it has a small coat closet where I'm planning to keep all our shoes. Now on this corner it has a small decor area. Now this is my living room, and this is the view of my kitchen and the dining room area from my living room. Now on the left hand side I have the guest bedroom, on the right I have the master bedroom. I'm gonna start with the guest bedroom first. First I'm going to show you guys the guest bathroom, which is pretty basic. Now here comes our guest bedroom. It has pretty big windows as well, which is good, and it has a closet as well. Now let's go to our master bedroom. Then I'm going to show you guys the patio. Ta-da! This is the master bedroom with same big windows and pretty big size as well, I believe. On the right it has a washer dryer station, and on the left I have this walk-in closet. Now comes to the bathroom, which has this 2 sink, which I love the most about this master bathroom, and the bathtub is quite bigger than the guest bathroom as well, and it also has a linen closet, which I absolutely love. Now let's go and see how my patio looks like. This is the patio, and this is my view. All green. This is so soothing. In Arizona, it's so rare. But I'm not complaining. I love Arizona as well. Guys, that is all from my today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, then please give it a thumbs up and comment down below. I'll see you guys on my next video very soon. Till then, keep smiling, stay healthy. Bye guys.